What's up? My name is Chase Reeves and I do in-depth reviews of bags, and this is wild. This is one piece of fabric. It's a dope, like kind of stylish bag from NIID, Need. It's called the Need or the Nide or the Nid Uno. It's called Uno because it's made out of one piece of fabric. The back there's more than just one piece of fabric. It's actually really well made. The fabric itself is like awesome, water resistant. I really like this fabric. But everybody's like, what is that scar you have all over your backpack? It is one zipper that zips all the way down and around, and you can lay the bag out flat. I'll show you that in a second, like every other pocket on this bag as well, I'll show you. But the gist of this bag for me is it ends up being kind of, honestly, a very functional bag. It's not just a gimmick with the zipper going. So if you like the aesthetic, if you like this look, it's very kind of Kenneth Cole. It's very sort of like, yeah, well, I was going to go to a cocktail party with my friend later on, but then I realized that it was a documentary that just came out about Bauhaus, so now I'm going to be doing that instead. It's not my greatest voice. I don't really know what I was doing there, but imagine me in a trench coat and a turtleneck, and then it's like, oh yeah, that's that backpack, he would wear that. Fashion trench coat. Do you understand? Not like a duster or something like that. Like a fashion long Burberry jacket. It's kind of a fashionable, sleek art district kind of thing. So if you like that look, then this is kind of like a very functional bag. It's well made, there's lots of features, and it's comfortable, and it honestly is a kind of nice to use during the day. Okay, so first and foremost, we gotta look at this zipper thing, all right? So you have two big old YKK zippers, right? Now, built into it is this little leather tab right here that has a metal bit. It clips over the metal bit, so it stops you if you don't want to open it up too far, or anybody for that matter. But you just pop that open, and then watch this. You zip it all the way around, and ready for the big reveal? Oh, I mean, look at that. It's kind of like, I like that blue. It's very vibrant, and it's one piece that's like one cut. So it definitely lays flat when you're trying to fill it up with stuff. The bummer is like, you know, you can't really like, what are you're gonna put your stuff, like set it there, and then you're gonna try to like hold this down while you zip it around. Functionally, what you end up doing more is you just unzip it from the top to that leather flap, and that's how you're using it. In some ways, this project feels a little bit like a, you know, like an industrial design PhD dissertation or something like that. It's like design a carry purpose bag that does something unique, and someone with like real architectural sort of skills and design skills was like, I will make it out of one piece of fabric. Now, this is actually modular. This can come out. And in fact, I have had this in the wrong way, I just noticed as I started recording. While I've been using it, I've been using a little clip at the top to hold it together. But check this out. You open up this back panel, which does have a couple pockets in it, but ultimately it's just a flat panel. And then you have all of this Velcro right here. It's like that high quality kind of Velcro. So it feels almost like a tiny, like very thin plastic or something like that. The truth is, this guy can probably zip into something. It goes back here, all right? It just folds away back there. Then you can put this guy down because that's Velcro on the back side of it. So you just Velcro that sucker on there, and what you have here is your laptop compartment, all right, a little tablet compartment that goes all the way down to the bottom, which I love. Then a little mesh pocket here, and some pen holder elastic guys right there. Utterly functional. This insert is just totally functional. I loved using it. For my purposes, like I don't need very much. This is basically all I need for organization, minus a place to put my my power charger, which I'll show you. There's more places, tons actually, more pockets on the outside of the bag. Two more things to show you here. Number one, nice little quick access. Blood damn, little, like not a quick access because it's inside the bag, but a little pocket right over here, as well as, why is there a USB? Why is there a USB thing? The reason why is so that you can, into this pocket here, put a battery charger or something. This cord goes into one of your outside pockets so you can plug in your USB connected device and have it be charging. Okay, so now that I showed you the inside of the bag, let's just take a look at the outside. Again, that zipper just zips it all up. You've got that leather tab, I've reset that. That's how I like to keep it. Then you've got a pocket on the top of the bag. All right, nice quick access. This is a great place for my headphones. I love putting my headphones here. And then I've got two other quick access pockets, one right here and one right here, both of them with some special features. This one on this side, this is where I have that, where'd you go? Don't you leave me. That USB guy, right? So I can plug into that USB power inside the bag through that cable. It also has a key clipper, a key clip. That's on one side of the bag. On the other side of the bag, I can have I can use it as a pocket, or I could pop out this is made pretty well, a water bottle holder. So you just put your water bottle in there like that, and look at that. But if you don't need it, you can just use this pocket as a quick access pocket. Sunglasses, put your phone in there, wallet, stuff like that. And we're not done with the pockets or the features. Here's one down here, which is a nice, perfect, like secret compartment for your passport, anything like that if you're traveling overseas. And then also you've got these guys, which are perfect for putting your roller bag through so that it doesn't fall off the roller bag handle. Not done yet, not done yet. That's all the pockets, but a couple more features here. One of them is a secret little, if I get the zippers over here, what I will show you is a secret little zipper locker that pulls out from behind here. Ba-ba-ba. You just zip and lock these guys into there. It's a little lock for your zippers so nobody can be, you know, getting handsy with your things. And then finally, it comes with a little rain slicker. Look at that. So that if you're in the deluge, you can totally cover yourself up. Now, check this out. There's another size. There's the same exact thing, literally all the same features in a smaller bag. So you can choose sort of, you know, which size is right for you. Here's the bag on my body. Again, I am 5'10", 190 pounds. It's got a nice feel. It feels nice and like sleek on me. It does not have a sternum strap. Okay, but the straps themselves are very comfortable, right? So they have a kind of contour to them, so I don't find them ever slipping off. So all right, guys, that is the NIID Uno number 2. That's the name of it, the Uno number 2. Very interesting, very innovative bag. Lots of design features here that I think are very well designed. Now, if you like this bag, what you might want to check out as well is the Peak Designs Everyday Backpack. Similar, just techie, like utterly techie, fashion-y, interesting. It's more techie than this. This is more fashion than the Peak Design, but it has tons of organization, very innovative stuff in the Peak Design. I'll put a link to it here or in the description below. All right, my name has been Chase Wardman-Reeves. If you like this video, subscribe, click the thumbs up, share it with your friends or something. I don't know, I make videos like this all the time. You'd probably like them. All right, everybody, thanks for watching and bye-bye.
Bagworks.co, ChaseReeves.net. Those are the websites.
I guess those are the websites. Yeah, he's wanting us to, I guess, go check out what he's up to or something like that. Yeah, looks nice.